on the way to Phi Phi Island. We booked a trip for 600 baht for one person, one way. I found on the internet also some agencies that they are offering this trip one way for 300 baht, but I'm not sure if it's so secure. So if you want to know if it's secure, just do your own research and let's see. So I will show you a little bit this boat. So you can go also here. You can pay 500 baht and get to the premium. This is the harbor. It's called Rasada. Here is premium class. This is the sun deck. You can lay here, get some sun, and down here they will put your baggage. And this is the normal economic class. You can get also down. Actually, it's looking very nice. What's here? Oh, nothing. Okay. We're just arriving to the pier on Phi Phi Island. It's been 2.5 hour ride. It was okay, so we hope to get to the hotel very soon. We've made it to Phi Phi Island. We just checked in our hotel. Now we are going to it. And the first impressions from Phi Phi Island. It's touristic, but it's nice. I think it's clean for Thailand. And also the streets are very nice. Now we are going to eat. Prices here are higher, but it's normal, it's island. It's not so expensive. You can find here also like pad thai for 80 baht, so it's still okay. We just came to Loch Dalam beach and I have to say it's nothing so special like on the pictures. When you see pictures from Koh Phi Phi, it's like wow, wow, it's so amazing, but look at this. I don't know, but I don't find it so wow. Right now we are just chilling on Phi Phi beach. I think this is the main beach where is the pier, and we couldn't find any nicer beach, so we are just staying here and enjoying a little bit of sunset. We are thinking about tomorrow. Maybe we will rent a kayak for one day or maybe half day, because we want to explore this beautiful island. It's actually very huge, but I don't think we will get like all around the island with the kayak, but maybe just half of the island will be okay. We want to visit Monkey Beach and Maya Bay, but Maya Bay is on different island. It's also Phi Phi, but I think it's Phi Phi Lee or something like this. We will see what we can do with kayaks. Good morning! We are going to rent a kayak. It's sunny day, and when you want to rent a kayak on Phi Phi Island, you will pay like 200 for 1 hour, and extra hour it's 100 baht. So we took 2 hours, but maybe we will spend more. We should visit Monkey Beach, some bays, some caves, so it will be very nice trip. So see you there. We are on Nui Beach and it's very beautiful here. It's low tide, so it's water until here, but I think normally it's going until here. So I think if it's a normal tide or high tide, it's even nicer, but even now it's so beautiful. You have palm trees, you have some caves, so it's very beautiful. It's a little bit hard with kayak, but from the beach where we rented the kayak, it was just maybe 35 minutes or 40 minutes by kayak, so it's not so bad. We are a little bit tired, but we get some coconut, so it refreshes us. So we continue a little bit there. We will go to snorkel, and that's it. See you later. Monkey Beach is over there, so I think it will be maybe like half an hour kayaking, so I hope we can make it. We are almost there. This is Monkey Beach. Beach finally, but you have to be careful when you will be here, because they are just going to your things, to your bags, and they just grab everything what they like, so be careful, don't leave your baggages without your eyes, and of course never feed the monkeys, because it will change their behavior and they will wait for the food from you and they will don't find it in the wild, so it's very bad for them, and also they can attack you.